Good morning students. Last class we have discussed about measurement, some basic concept of measurement, need of measurement, importance of measurement we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about force and motion. Force is very important in our life, which in sense without force we can't do anything. Let me pass on to the topic. Next one topic is force. Without force, nothing is possible. Every day you can observe bodies around you. When you are coming to school, you can notice that some of them are moving, some of them are at rest. What pushes or pulls them? What brings the moving bodies to rest? What is the effect of this pull or pushes? All the above questions can be answered by saying just one word, which is force. A force is a push or pull of an object which makes the bodies to move or brings the moving bodies to rest. Force cannot be seen, but its effect can be seen and felt. We have so many types of force. A few types of force for you here: magnetic force, electric force, gravitational force, wind force, contact force and non-contact force, etc. Okay students, here we have discussed some basic concepts of physics. I hope you are all understood. Thank you students. What are the effect of force? Force is an external effort in the form of push or pull, already we have discussed. Force produces or tries to produce the motion of a static body. Here static, it is rest. Force stops or tries to stop a moving body. Force changes or tries to change the direction of motion of a moving body. Force has both magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity. About scalar and vector quantity we will discuss in the higher classes. Let me give some example for you. Listen me carefully. Look at the picture clearly students. Here we have a school. This is school and this is your home. We have a two path. One is straight distance from between the school and the home, and the next path is 2 kilometer. First one path is 1.5 kilometer. Look at the another example here. So there is a tree. From the tree some leaves are falling down, but there is a difference between the two picture. In the first picture there is no wind when the leaves are falling down, and the second picture there is a wind blow when the leaves are falling down. So there is a difference between the two paths. So path A is straight and path B is not straight. And look at the another example here. So from the house to school, this is path B, and this is path A from the school to the playground, and after the playground this is the house to reach. We have this is another one path we have. So what I am coming to say here, from the above example we could conclude that when an object travels from one place to another, it will reach faster if travels along the straight line path. Have you understood students? We will reach fast when the travel is straight along the straight line path is there now. We will reach faster. So that straight line path is the shortest distance between the 2 points. So whatever here we have discussed, the straight line between the two places which gives the shortest distance. Students, let me explain about a distance and a displacement. So now only we have discussed what is the shortest distance between the two places and what is that long distance we have, so that we discussed. Now once again, distance and displacement both are almost same, but there is a few difference we have. Look at the picture clearly once again. Let me say what is the distance first. The total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. So let me explain clearly. The actual path was taken by the person or else object is called distance. And let me pass on to the displacement is nothing but the shortest distance from the two point, or else the shortest distance between the two places is called displacement. The shortest distance from the initial to the final position of an object is called displacement. Let me explain clearly. Already I told you what is the shortest point we have, that is displacement. Look at the picture clearly. Here we have starting and the end point, which is A to B we have to travel, but we have a three-way. Look at the green color, which is 10 kilometer, and look at the another one which is a blue color, 7 kilometer between the 2 point, and the middle one is 5 kilometer. So you can tell which is the distance and which is the displacement. So once again I told you already, the shortest distance between the two places is called displacement. So which is the shortest distance here? That 5 kilometer, that path 3 is there, no, that is only a displacement, because 5 kilometer is the shortest distance between the 2 point, and 10 kilometer and 7 kilometer which is a distance. Have you understood, student? Look at the another picture here. So here also we have a 2 point, one is A and another point is B. So we have a two path also. One path length is 120 meter and another one path is 40 meter. So we can conclude which is the distance and which is the displacement. As I said already, a displacement is nothing but shortest distance between the 2 point is called displacement. So which is the displacement here? 40 meter is the displacement, 120 meter is the distance. Come to the another example. So here also we have a two path, one is 100 meter difference and another one is 400 meter difference. So we can conclude, students. So which is the displacement here? 100 meter is the displacement and 400 meter is the distance. Very good, students. I hope you understood. And we can find out another thing here. Actually, for the displacement we can mention the particular direction, because the path is straight here. So we can mention the particular direction in sense north to south, south to north, likewise. So when the distance is straight, we can say the direction. But look at the distance here, we have a multi-direction. So for the distance we don't have the particular direction. Have you understood, students? We will take, we can consider A is a house, A is your house and B is your school. When you come to the school, we will take many left and right. So which is what is it? We will be having many direction in that. North to south or south to north, we will take diversion, so that For the distance we have many directions, so multi-direction, so we could not say the particular direction, but for the displacement we have a particular direction. So here also we can say for the distance we have a particular direction, but for the displacement we have a particular direction, but the distance we don't have the particular direction. In sense we have many direction, we don't have the particular direction. And look at another one fact. Sometimes a distance and a displacement will be equal. Here also, here look at the picture here. We have a 2 point which is A to B. That point is what is a straight we have. So here we can say displacement, but also we can say a distance too. Sometimes a distance come, that is displacement come distance too. Have you understood, students? Because here there is only one path, that path also straight between the 2 point, so the distance also same and the displacement also same. For example, the distance between the 2 point is we can consider 100 meter. The 100 meter is the displacement as well as distance between the 2 point. I hope you are all understood, students.